Hello everyone and welcome to another speed test comparison between the OnePlus 7 and the Samsung Galaxy A70. The OnePlus 7 is a flagship device while the Samsung Galaxy A70 is a mid-range smartphone. So in this video I am going to do speed test comparison and specification comparison between both of the smartphones, and we are going to find out that which one is faster and which one you should buy between both of the smartphones. So without wasting any further time, let's start the speed test. So as always, the first test will be a boot up test, and here we go. And let's see who will be the winner of this boot up test. For all those who haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to get the latest smartphones comparison, speed test, unboxing and much more. And let's see, logos are moving around on both of the smartphones. Well, the boot up test won by the OnePlus 7 and the Samsung Galaxy A70 was just right behind, as the OnePlus 7 have got 8GB of RAM and the Samsung Galaxy A70 have got 6GB of RAM. The design of both of the smartphones is almost the same, as you can see. And if I talk about the rear camera of both of the smartphones, so the OnePlus 7 have got dual rear camera while the Samsung Galaxy A70 have got triple rear camera. So as you guys can see, everything is completely closed up, and starting from some basic stuff, the first one we have got phone dialer. Well, it was faster on the OnePlus 7. Settings exactly at the same time on both of the smartphones, no difference at all. Now moving on towards some third-party applications, and the first one we have got Subway Surfers. Both are in the loading, and well, pretty much faster on the Samsung Galaxy A70. Color switch. Well, slightly faster on the OnePlus 7 here. Fruit Ninja. Again, slightly faster on the OnePlus 7. Hill Climb 2. The Samsung Galaxy A70 took a bit time while launching this game, and well, pretty much quicker on the OnePlus 7 here. Kind Master. Faster on the OnePlus 7. Smash Hit. Slightly faster on the OnePlus 7 once again. Temple Run 2. Both are in the loading, and well, about 2 seconds faster on the OnePlus 7 here. Plant vs Zombies. Again, faster on the OnePlus 7. Zedge. It was exactly at the same time on both of the smartphones. YouTube. Well, slightly faster on the Samsung Galaxy A70 here. So guys, it was a speed test between the OnePlus 7 and the Samsung Galaxy A70, and as you guys saw here, the majority of the test won by the OnePlus 7 and the Samsung Galaxy A70 was right behind in every single test. The specification of the OnePlus 7 is also higher as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A70. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of these two smartphones especially for gaming purpose, then you should definitely go for the OnePlus 7. And also, if you guys have any question regarding these two smartphones, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching our videos and keep supporting us. Thank you.